Instead of being buffeted around within a world of reactive mind, with clear discernment, you can deal with each circumstance or idea openly and without presumption. In addition, you increase your capacity to consider the validity of any communication, yours or another's. You increase your capacity to consider the validity of any communication, yours or another's. As you listen to someone speaking, including yourself, you should ask, is the communication true or valid? Are you speaking the truth or even trying to speak honestly? Is what another is saying true, based on personal, genuine experience? Or is it only hearsay and belief? It may be difficult to be certain about your assessment, but merely asking the question allows a more discriminating faculty to arise. And that, again, can't be based on whether you like it or don't like it, or whether it agrees with your beliefs or doesn't agree with your beliefs, right? See, if their communication is valid or not. So the first thing you have to do is hear it. I mean, if you want to judge it, don't judge it right off. Hear it. Say first, get it, and grasp what they're communicating. See, and then you ask yourself, well, is that empowering? Or is that true? Or is that based on real, genuine personal experience? Are they being honest? You see, that is a very different domain than, are they just babbling beliefs? Are they just talking about hearsay and passing it on? Are they trying to deceive you? Are they snowing you? Are they bullshitting you? Are they trying to entertain you? Or something, you see? That's a whole different domain. I pushed that one that way, so I push this one that way. Don't want them to collide, We're making a distinction here. This discernment can't be based upon personal reactions to what's encountered, such as what's wanted or believed, and automatic assessments are inevitably based on such influences. Once you can make the distinction between your reactions to and feelings about what's being said and what is actually being said, you can begin to focus on the actual communication. The validity of the communication lies in the communication itself and the intended outcome of the communication. Does it serve a useful purpose of some kind? In the end, is it empowering or not? That doesn't mean that you like it or that it agrees with your beliefs. When you step back from personal bias, is it true or does it empower anyone? People often base their judgment of any communication on whether or not it agrees with them or makes them feel good. Such an automatic disposition to the matter does not only produces blindness to the potential value or damage of anything said, it reveals a lack of critical thinking.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.